So you want to upgrade your car audio system and add a subwoofer. You're going to need an aftermarket amplifier. Maybe you're in the mood to add a ton of bass output, yet use something that will easily integrate with your car audio system. I'm Mark from the YouTube channel Car Audio Fabrication, and I'm here today on behalf of AudioControl to show you why you need the AudioControl LC-1.800. This single channel 800 watts RMS at 2 ohms or 500 watts RMS at 4 ohms amplifier will provide substantial power to your subwoofers, along with bringing tons of other features to make that bass sound its best. Installation is simple. Start with connecting a 4-gauge or larger power wire and ground. Next, if you're using a factory head unit, tap into the speaker wires of the vehicle in order to provide signal to the amplifier, as this amplifier has a line output converter built in. Finally, to connect our new aftermarket subwoofers, we will use the speaker connections here. With these connections made, the amplifier will monitor the speaker level inputs, and using AudioControl's GTO or Great Turn-On technology, once a signal is detected, the amplifier will automatically turn on. There is an issue though. Factory sound systems are notorious for cutting the bass as you turn up the volume. They want to protect their inexpensive stock speakers, but when we are adding a new subwoofer, we need that bass. AudioControl's patented AccuBASS technology is built into the LC-1.800 and restores this bass roll-off for optimal bass performance with our new added subwoofers. Already have an aftermarket head unit or DSP installed? Then provide audio signal to the LC-1.800 with the RCA line level inputs. To avoid sending unwanted high frequency sound to our new subwoofer system and fine-tune our bass performance, we can adjust the included low-pass crossover, and we can also change the polarity. To properly level match the amplifier with the equipment providing the audio signal, we can first test the source equipment through the amplifier to determine the highest undistorted output level, and then simply adjust the amp gain control to determine where the gain is maximized. This allows for precision tuning setup and optimized clean bass without the need for additional testing tools. Finally, AudioControl sold separately ACR-1 remote level control can be attached and mounted near the driver for quick adjustment of the subwoofer level when needed. Next time you want to simply add a subwoofer yet get tons of bass output, the AudioControl LC-1.800 has you covered. For a more advanced video about the AudioControl LC-1.800, check out the link here on screen. On behalf of AudioControl, thank you for watching.